In this episode, we will discuss positive scenarios on Bitcoin's horizon. Hi, my name is Rocco, aka Bitcoin's best friend. I'm very positive about Bitcoin. I'm very positive because the more I take the time to learn about Bitcoin, the more it impresses me. And the more I take the time to learn about the current fiat financial system the world is mired in, the more it frustrates me. To put it bluntly, the fiat system is corrupt. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is incorruptible. It cannot be co-opted by human greed or lust for power. The math and physics that guard Bitcoin are too strong. Bitcoin will benefit the very poor and the very rich and everyone in between. Bitcoin will be transformational in the way the automobile was. We don't know yet all the changes Bitcoin will bring, but we can rest assured that the changes will be positive and greatly improve the human adventure. For now though, for most people, Bitcoin is something that equates to a US dollar figure that scrolls across the screen on your computer or television. People really only care or are curious about whether that number is going up or going down. The miraculous beauty of proof of work and difficulty adjustments take a back seat to people's simple desire for economic growth. And this is perfectly understandable. So let's take a look now at 4 things that are shortly upcoming that bode very well for Bitcoin's price to go up substantially. The first 2 we have discussed before. They are the halving and the spot ETF. The halving is designed into the Bitcoin protocol to take place approximately every 4 years, and the next one will come into effect the next April or May. The miner's reward per block will be cut in half from 6.25 Bitcoin to 3.125 Bitcoin, thus decreasing the supply while increasing demand. Because remember, Bitcoin's final supply cannot be inflated indefinitely, unlike fiat currencies. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin, and a commodity with a fixed supply becomes more and more valuable over time. Check out our episode, How Rare is Bitcoin, for a further explanation of this. I will link it below. Secondly, the spot Bitcoin ETF, a host of enormous hedge funds, including BlackRock, the world's largest, have filed for, will potentially add many billions of dollars into Bitcoin's market cap because it will make it easier for less tech-savvy investors to catch the Bitcoin wave. Thirdly, there are new corporate accounting rules that will be implemented in the US in the next year that will make it easier for companies to hold Bitcoin on their balance sheet because they won't have to declare fluctuation in Bitcoin's price as losses unless they actually sold the Bitcoin. This will make it much easier for public health companies to follow the road that Michael Saylor's company MicroStrategy has paved and add Bitcoin to their bottom line. Fourthly, after many years of very serious study, the very devout Islamic country of Oman has declared Bitcoin is halal and in accordance with Islamic financial principles. They will actively mine Bitcoin and plan to invest over $1 billion in mining infrastructure. This, to me, shows once again how Bitcoin is for everyone. Oman declaring Bitcoin is halal opens up the possibility of many more nation-states adopting Bitcoin as a store of value, as well as individuals of the Muslim faith accepting it as well. Now remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a talking dog who loves learning more and more about Bitcoin and hopes for others to follow me on my journey so that they can make up their own minds on whether or not this is a good time to catch the Bitcoin wave. So please, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And comment if you please. And always remember that just like a talking dog, Bitcoin is a miracle.